What do we do while we are waiting for the jet? The things that have to come on camera, I have to document this place. They lend me all the space behind me just to prepare and to practice. So for those of you that play violin and know what it means to have a practice room for 2 hours and that you have to make reservations the day before and you just have it for 2 hours, I can stay here for as long as I want with my practice things in my violin. My string broke, so this is it for today. This is the French Pass gold mines in Aruba. Today in the morning to do a sunrise hike. I think I'm gonna play a little bit of music. Violin. But we are here at 6 in the morning and we're doing an amazing hike. It's quite magic. We are at Seru Cristal. I have never seen Aruba in the morning from up here. these amazing places around this hike. We are hiking in a valley now, away from the sea, going back to where we started, but we are going a slightly different way. On my way to practice now. I'm playing that hotel over there. Have a few hours of practice and then just rest for a little bit. Prepare for tomorrow. I can't wait. Go around the island, record some more of these pieces. I made it to Riu. It's so nice. It's air conditioned. Hello.
¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo estamos? ¿Todo bien?
Arumania.
¿Arumania?
Sí. The atmosphere here is amazing, and there's a lot of people that are
He already asked me.
Yeah, just making a quick break, and then I'm gonna go practice. So I have my setup right here, my violin. I have legs nicely stretched, which feels good after a hike. That offers me a lot of nice acoustic to play in. Hello. I'm so happy. I love you, Aruba. I love you, I love you, I love you. And I'm getting ready to play. I have my violin there and my playing stuff here. Almost 10 in the evening, and I am getting back to the boat. I just love going riding in the evening. I was listening to this podcast with Elliot Kipchoge while I was running. And you go running every day for 1 hour. Is that he thinks that the world would become a better place if people would do that. He's running at 10 o'clock at night. It's a very safe island and it's a very safe feeling. It's one of the safest that I've traveled. So we are back to the park again. I'm super happy. I love this place. There's this type of desert that's not really desert, but it has a lot of cactuses, and now there's still a little bit of green around. Oh, I lost the way. rented the bike. We are heading to the park. I can't wait. We are entering now the cactus forest. I missed going with the bike. From Berlin, from Berlin, Beijing and China. We crossed like Pakistan. Deaths and all kinds of things. I was so afraid to go in that hospital. Yeah, because they're saying that it's kind of haunted. Yeah, haunted. All the quarantine second. Yeah. And then if they didn't survive their quarantine, if they died of a disease, they just throw them off the cliff. going without any brakes. I'm going with brakes. This is how it is riding in Aruba. About to enter the hotel area. I'm skating back home and this is Irene. She's bringing me to the bus stop. It's been an epic day. I loved it.